Good everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix the error message, error saving wireless profile when you click on internet connection properties. Now, there are a couple of steps to fix this issue. Now, the first step is to open the command prompt. So you can, in the search window, you may go ahead and type CMD and you will see the best match for command prompt. You may do a right click on the command prompt and then click on run as administrator. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on yes or continue on the screen. Now once you have the command prompt open, the first command what you will have to go ahead and type is to flush DNS, and the command is ipconfig space /flush DNS and hit enter, and this will go ahead and execute the command and clear the DNS resolver cache on your computer. Once this is done, the next command what you will have to go ahead and run is to reset the winsock. Now the command is netsh space winsock space reset and hit enter. This command will be successfully executed and you will see the message saying that you must reset the winsock catalog, and to complete this you will have to go ahead and restart your computer. Once you see this message on the computer, you may go ahead and restart the computer. Wait until the restart is complete. Once your computer is restarted, then you may go ahead and try to check for the internet connection properties. You should be able to view the profile or wireless profile on your computer. Now in spite of all this, and if you're still facing a problem, the next step what you could do is to reset the network settings. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on settings. Once you're on the settings page, you may go ahead and click on network and internet. Now on the right hand side, you may go ahead and look for advanced network settings. Now once you're on this page, you will have to scroll down a bit until you find network reset. Basically this will reset all network adapters to the factory settings. So click on it and then choose the option which says reset now, and you will get a prompt which says, are you sure you want to reset your network settings? You may click on yes and close this window, restart your computer, and that should definitely fix the problem. Now in spite of trying all this step, and if you're still facing a problem, the last step what you could do is to go ahead and run the SFC scan on your computer. To do this, you will have to click on the search and type CMD. The best match what you will see is for command prompt. You can do a right click, run as administrator. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on yes or continue on the screen. Now in the command prompt window, to run the SFC scan, you will have to type the command SFC space /scan now and hit enter. This will go ahead and execute the SFC scan on your computer. Now this will take some time. Once the verification is complete, you will have to go ahead and restart your computer, and that should fix the problem. Now in spite of trying all this step, and if you're still facing a problem, I would suggest you to leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with the possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.